Welcome back to Hilltop Farmstead. While we're still in a dormant state with the trees, we're going to be spraying a coating on them. One is this copper fungicide from Captain Jack's. This will help reduce any fungus or any type of disease that the tree could pick up over the winter. It's basically moisture related, so your powdery mildew, black spots. This can also be used throughout the growing season for blight. If you catch it early enough, this will help reduce that. The other one is Monterey's horticultural oil. This will control our aphids, mites, scales, whiteflies, and other soft-bodied insects. We're trying to get a jump on the trees now while they're dormant so that none of these parasites or bugs can take hold while the trees are just coming up online. So it's about 50 degrees right now. This is a perfect weather to spray. Low wind, overcast, no rain in the forecast for at least 24 hours so that the spray can get on the bark nicely. So let's get started. I'm also using a 1 gallon sprayer. I have 2 ounces of the 1 ounce of the copper fungicide per gallon and 2 ounces of horticulture spray in here, mixed thoroughly. They can be applied at the same time, and this is probably the best way to do it. 2 gallon sprayer, obviously you double your dose. So we'll start with this tree. We want to make sure we coat it thoroughly all the way down to the base. I even like to spray a little bit on the ground cover, but obviously we don't have any leaves to worry about, so adjust the spray a little bit more of a mist. There we go. I'm going to get a nice mist so you can coat it. You're going to overspray a bit, but that's okay. Just kind of make sure you coat the bark, any exposed surface of the tree thoroughly, just about where it's dripping. Hit the base real good, a little bit around the base. Oh, and some of our other videos on social media, we've had people ask why there's 5 gallon buckets sitting all over the orchard. So this is about the perfect amount of water that you want per tree, like when they're in a really young state, 5 gallons. And we drill 4 holes in the bottom, right around the center here, so it can meter the water out slowly. That way the water doesn't rush through the ground and the trees don't have a chance to absorb it. That takes about 20 minutes to drain, which is a good rate for the trees to actually use it appropriately, so it's not wasted. Because we used to come out here with the hose and just throw the hose on top of the pile, turn it on slow, half the water would be running down the hill. So the bucket method seems to work the best. So highly advise that if you can find some of these buckets on sale. I think we got them at non-sponsored Video Blaine's Farm and Fleet for about $3 a piece. One of the tricks with these sprayers is you don't want to pump it up too much when you're trying to load it, because you'll get so much pressure coming out of the nozzle. You'll get all that overspray, it'll just get wasted. So once it starts getting light in the spray, I just pump it up 5 or 6 times. And that way, see, you just want a little bit of spray coming out, nothing crazy, because if I pump that all the way up till it's hard, I'm just gonna be blasting all the liquid halfway across the orchard and just wasting it. So 5 or 6 pumps, it'll get you through 2 to 3 small trees and maybe 2 of these mid-sized ones. Start at the base, work your way up one side. Make sure you got it nice and wet. Should be dripping like that. Come around the other side. Get this side. Yeah, if your tree's got that little greenish, it's like a paste, but it looks like mildew. It's like a green mold on the bark. That's what we're trying to treat. Okay, so we got all the trees sprayed. Try and focus on this, see if I can get it. Let me. From this angle. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but right here, see how the bark's got like a greenish tint to it? That's what we're trying to get rid of. There's some on here too. So this one's been sprayed, dried off a bit, so that fungicide should help eliminate that. We'll come back and check on it in a couple days, but that's what we're trying to get rid of. Want to get rid of that before the tree comes back out of dormancy. Thanks for watching the video today. If you got any enjoyment out of it or you appreciate the content, if you could do us a favor and hit that like button, we would really appreciate that. Subscriptions are always nice. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for stopping by the farm. We'll see you next time.